Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this lecture we'll discuss about error detection and error correction techniques in LTE. So as we know, in LTE network, if we talk about RAN side, we have our UE and we have our E node B. Okay, so suppose UE is sending some data to E node B. Okay, so in this case our UE is working as a transmitter, whereas our E node B is working as a receiver. So there are chances that the data whatever the UE is sending to E node B is having some error. So in that case, the receiver, which is E node B in this case, it's responsibility of receiver to detect that error and correct that error. Okay. Similarly, suppose if E node B is transmitting some data to UE, in that case E node B will working as a transmitter and UE will work as a receiver. So there is possibility that this data whatever E node B is sending is having some error. In that case UE is supposed to detect the error and correct that error. Okay. So for error detection, there are bits, you can say that CRC bits are used. CRC stands for cyclic redundancy check. Okay, so what means transmitter will do? Transmitter will add these CRC bits, or you can say error detection bits also. Okay, so whatever the data transmitter is sending to receiver, it will add one CRC bit here. Okay, so you will be able to see the CRC bits with real data. Okay, so if receiver find out some issue with this CRC bit, suppose this is having some error, in that case the receiver will find that the data whatever it has received is having error. Okay, now after detection the receiver will go for error correction. Okay, one more thing I would like to tell you that along with data, this error detection bits are sent. Okay, and also forward error correction bits are sent. I'll tell you what forward error correction is. Okay, so so suppose receiver has found that some error with CRC bits, so it has found that data is having error. So now the error correction will take place, means receiver will try to correct that error. So at different layers in LTE, suppose I'm considering here that UE as a transmitter and E node B as receiver. Okay, so if I draw the protocol stack, so first of all PHY layer will be there. Okay, and after that there is a MAC layer. After that it's RLC layer. Okay, and after that it's PDC, but it's of no use right now. So at physical layer, method which is used for error correction is forward error correction. Okay, this is the procedure which will occur at this physical layer. At MAC layer, the procedure used is known as HARQ. HARQ. It stands for hybrid automatic repeat request error correction. Okay, and at RLC we have a procedure of error correction and it is known as ARQ. ARQ means automatic repeat request. So in this tutorial our focus will be on these two things. These are very important. First one is ARQ and second one is HARQ. Okay, these are the two important topics, you can say, that we are going to cover in this lecture.